suddenly it's quiet. The only sound is of the bubbles. And every now and then, if you're blessed, you'll hear a dolphin or a whale. The strongest people I've ever met are disabled. And these people live lives and go through difficulties that we can't imagine. We take them down below, and people have walked for the first time in 30 years, and some of them in their entire life. So it's amazing.
See you in there, guys.
Diveheart's a nonprofit, a 501c3 that I founded in 2001 to help people with disabilities through scuba therapy.
1, 2, 3.
Zero gravity is a lot like the environment on the moon. So once we trim them out and get them neutrally buoyant, they're completely weightless, and their breath controls their up and down movement. That's a sweet spot. That's the astronaut moment. Some of the doctors and researchers that have gone on trips have found that there's an extra output of serotonin in the human body. It's 66 feet underwater, that's 3 atmospheres. That helps with pain management, alleviates PTSD symptoms, and we've had people who have had chronic pain who are pain-free for up to 3 weeks when we get them deep enough. That's the key.
For me, what it feels like is a feeling of comfort and relaxation. Because I think in my case, all the pain goes away, and you just all of a sudden, you feel like everything's fine. It's an equalizing force for the able-bodied and disabled people. When you put them all in the water together, everybody's pretty much equal.
It's a total freedom. I leave my wheelchair up on the boat. I just love it. I get to see all the fish, the coral. It's a whole different world down there. I have a cardiovascular workout that I can't really get in a wheelchair. It feels like I'm flying.
Christina is my best friend. She has cerebral palsy, so making everything barrier-free and accessible for people has always been really important to me. Seeing the joy in people's faces when they come up after the first dive, after they're seeing something that they never knew was possible, is just out of this world.
They are constrained and confined to their wheelchair.
Want to go diving? Yeah!
When we take them diving, there's a certain look that I see in their eyes. I know what freedom is about. I am now empowered. I'll get back into that chair, but I know now there's some other things in life that I can do.
And what we believe at Diveheart is that people with disabilities represent an unrealized human potential. Plus, you're building that self-esteem and confidence, and it's very cool. I mean, if you're in a wheelchair and you can scuba dive, you roll into a party and you get something cool to talk about. And that cool factor is no small thing. It creates an identity, and then they start believing in themselves. And that's what it's all about, really, is to have hope.